Hi, welcome back to Teju's Healthy Eats. This sweet and sour tofu lunchbox packs about 617 calories with over 65 grams of protein, perfectly macro balanced, incredibly flavorful, and just as vibrant as it looks. This bowl hits every note: sweet, tangy, savory, creamy, and honestly, the last 2 times I made these lunchboxes, there were no leftovers at all. We relished them down to the very last bite, and they tasted just as amazing even 2 days later. This is perfect for meal prep, batch cooking, reheating, and relishing. So keep an eye out for pro tips throughout the video. Here's a quick look at the main ingredients: extra firm tofu, mixed bell peppers, broccoli florets, non-fat Greek yogurt, low sodium soy sauce, maple syrup, fresh orange juice, sesame seeds, rice vinegar, scallions. Simple ingredients, bold flavors, and very intentional macros. I'm starting by making the sweet and sour sauce. Into a bowl goes low sodium soy sauce, freshly squeezed orange juice, rice vinegar, maple syrup, garlic powder, salt, sesame seeds, paprika, and red chili flakes. I give it a really good mix and let it rest while the tofu cooks. This helps all those flavors come together. Letting the sauce rest builds up depth before it even hits the pan. In a hot pan, I add a light spray of avocado oil and toss in the tofu. Cook this on medium to high heat, turning until it's beautifully golden on almost all the sides. Once the tofu is crisp, I pour in sweet and sour sauce and gently fold everything together. Let the tofu absorb the sauce as it reduces and thickens into a sticky, glossy glaze. When the tofu is done, I set it aside and I save any leftover glossy sauce in the pan for later. That leftover sauce is liquid gold. Don't waste it. I wipe the pan clean, add another light spray of avocado oil, and toss in the mixed bell peppers over medium heat. If you are enjoying these macro-balanced meal prep ideas, make sure you're subscribed for more. I season simply with salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. Then cook for about 3 to 4 minutes, just until tender but still vibrant. You want color and crunch, not soggy veggies. Lastly, in the same pan, I add another spray of oil, toss in the chopped broccoli florets, season with salt, and cook just until bright green. Then I set that aside. For the delicious yum yum sauce, I add Greek yogurt, vinegar, garlic powder, salt, smoked paprika, and a splash of water. Then mix until smooth and creamy. That's it! High protein, clean ingredients, and the perfect contrast to the tangy tofu. Now for assembly. Tofu goes in first. Followed by the stir-fried veggies, freshly cooked jasmine rice, and then the broccoli. I cook the rice in the Instant Pot in parallel, which is optional, but it adds great balance and really rounds out the bowl. Just before garnishing, I spoon that reserved glossy sweet and sour sauce over the tofu. This brings everything together and keeps the meal juicy even after reheating. Then I garnish with scallions, Sprinkle the rice with a little furikake and portion the yum yum sauce into containers. Be generous with the sauce here. About a quarter to half a cup per serving. Trust me, when you reheat this, you want your bowl creamy and comforting. And since this yum yum sauce is so macro friendly, you absolutely can. One full lunchbox comes in at 617 calories with 65.5 grams of protein, high fiber, balanced carbs, and healthy fats, which is exactly why this keeps you full and satisfied. This sweet and sour tofu proves that high-protein food can be bold, vibrant, and incredibly comforting. If you try this one, tell me how you enjoyed it, fresh, reheated, or straight from the container. It really helps my channel. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.